Afoyo lutino wa mi acholi giti Kampala gitie I novice boxing, but I'm not seeing any kind of seriousness both lutela bamegwa wawajo ni wa supporting to wawajo ni education and sports. Our very own from northern Uganda are for novice boxing championship. Ento Waishawani, we have seen only one Latela Chile Kera for turning up. It is not good, please. It is high time me neno kongba Jimmy Mano Luteno Timo for their culture, for their tribe, for their region. Eni penny ati lego negetek baro kony Luteno chere boxing getie lugogo. We have added all these members of parliament a forum me konyo Luteno mago chero katuko chare. But all of them are quiet. Ngara chele kena ye for supporting. Maka inen locked here. We are going to send message ma en uchwalo kere kichene. Wekla wiju magjo mukena ni. Please, impero berga loga. Kwa kony kong Luteno money mageti atuko chane. It is more important than talking, giving advice to just help them. They are struggling. Some of them go where Wakwano, they are concentrating in sports. But you know that be on radio, go cheer kwene, go team ngo, te loga, te team ngo. Members of parliament, Lutela, Joe Matiki capacity, please. Let's help these children. Uti platform ulingo be mot. Oneno kita Luteno itoko kere. Anaka dire mai Luteno loyo dugu u ero jenye kere. WhatsApp, u ero jenye kere YouTube kwere. Please, Lutela, let's style up sometime. It is not by force. Ento, ka ni pire tek ni Luteno wa bene. Guturi, unyo gute nying wa malo. Bear. Man, our very own from Gulu Boxing Club, Amoko Innocent, Kiuchan Geoffrey, Makubedi don good donyo, getie wa UPDF, getie don Lumuony. And they are representing the country outside Uganda. Eno ni pe yomo yiwa. Support mete. Luteno tika tuko ilugogo. In the forum, nget may romo chwalo chene bora is Ismail. Romo chwalo chene direct donyo bora nyo chwalo bon Molindra Dennis, the head coach of Gulu Boxing Club. Amira fola tela mo uyele chwalo chene, but others, let's style up. For